How to use angle grinder.
In this video, we shall be using this cordless angle grinder.
Where should the handlebar be fitted? Right side or left side?
It really doesn't matter. It depends whether you are a left-handed or a right-handed person. More importantly, the safety guard must always track the handle position, regardless if it's left or right fitted. Hold the handlebar and adjust the safety guard, like so.
It is much safer to use the angle grinder now.